A very good day to all of you. In this video, we will see some examination tips for class 10th Science Board exam to get perfect score in science. Master the NCERT textbook. Read and revise the NCERT science textbooks thoroughly, as most questions are directly or indirectly based on it. Practice all in text and end of the chapter questions. Create a study schedule. Divide your time in preparation of all units systematically, keeping in mind the weightage allotted to each unit in the annual syllabus prescribed by CBSE. Allocate time for difficult concepts and revision. Practice numericals and diagram. In physics, focus should be there on numericals from the topics like Ohm's law, power and energy, and lenses and mirrors. In biology, students must practice labeling and drawing diagrams such as human digestive system, nephron, flower and eye. In chemistry, students must learn how to balance the chemical equations and learn reaction mechanisms clearly. Solve sample papers and previous year papers. Attempt CBSE sample question papers, DOE practice papers and previous year's papers to familiarize yourself with the exam pattern and time management. Analyze your mistakes and revise weak areas. Understand concepts and avoid rote learning. Focus on conceptual clarity rather than memorizing. Relate concepts to real-life applications for better understanding, such as photosynthesis, chemical reactions in daily life, etc. Make short notes for quick revision. Students must prepare concise notes for formulae, definitions, important chemical reactions, and key processes. Students can use flow charts and tables for summarizing information. Time management during the exam. Allocate the time for each section and stick to it. Attempt easier questions first to build confidence and save time for difficult ones. Pay attention to keywords and units. Students must highlight the keywords in theoretical answers like diffusion or refraction. Always include proper SI units in numericals. Revise smartly. Use the last few days before the exam to revise important concepts, diagrams and formulae. Stay calm and confident. Get adequate rest before the exam day. Avoid stress and have trust in your preparation. Practice deep breathing if you feel anxious. During the exam, read the question paper carefully before starting. Write the answers neatly with proper steps in calculations and highlight key points. Label the diagrams accurately and ensure they are neat. That's all from this video. All the best for your exam. Thank you very much.